Question 9. The river is 50 meters wide. So we've got a 50-meter wide river. How fast can this boy swim? 5/9 meters a second, and the water flows at 5/6. So 5/6 meters a second. So the velocity of the boy is going to be, he can go across at this rate, so 5/6 in the I direction plus 5/9 in the J direction. So he wants to cross as quickly as possible, so he needs to go straight across. I'll get him there as quickly as possible, and he'd be dragged downriver, which is part 3 here. So if he goes across 50 meters and he's traveling at 5/9, it's the same as 450 divided by 5, which is 90 seconds. And if it's dragging him down 5/6 of a meter every second in 90 seconds, that's going to be 15 by 5, 75 meters downstream. Question 10. A plane heads due east at 100 kilometers an hour. So he's going this way. So the velocity of the plane relative to the wind. And the wind is blowing from the north at 10 kilometers an hour. So it's kind of coming down this way a bit from the north at 10 kilometers an hour. Find the resultant speed and direction of the plane. So what do we got here? We have the velocity of the plane relative to the wind is 100, and it's east, so 100 in the I direction. We have the velocity of the wind, which is 10 from the north, so it's coming down, so minus 10 in the J direction. What else do we know here? We know the velocity of the plane relative to the wind is the velocity of the plane minus the velocity of the wind. So the velocity of the plane is the velocity of the plane relative to the wind plus the velocity of the wind, which in this case is going to be 100I minus 10J, velocity of the plane. So the resultant speed, so the speed is going to be the magnitude of this, so the magnitude of it, the square root of 100 squared plus 10 squared, which is 100.5 meters per second. And the angle, when it look like this, it would be kind of in here, positive, negative, A, the tan of A, or the inverse tan of 10 over 100. The tan of A is equal to 10 over 100. So A is equal to 5.71 degrees, which is 5 degrees, and 0.71 or 0.71 by 60 is 43. So 5 degrees and 43 minutes we'll leave it at, and it's going in this direction, south of east. So 5 degrees 43 minutes south of east.